welcome to Bonita's Kitchen, and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to be making today is a delicious lemon dill baked cod recipe. I'm always looking for new ways to cook and bake my cod, and when we get fresh cod here in Newfoundland and Labrador, you don't want to spoil it just putting things over it. So right now today we got some fresh lemons, dill, fresh dill, garlic, and so much more. So what I'm going to do is tell you the ingredients as I put it into my casserole dish. So let's get started. So what I got here is a board of freshness. We got our white onions, fresh dill, lemon, garlic, salt and pepper, and of course our fresh cod over here to the side. I got 2 medium onions cut into rings. We're going to layer that in the bottom of a casserole dish, or you could use even a roaster. That's not a problem. I'm going to be just putting a little sprinkle of sea salt and pepper over the top of my onions first, because what we're going to do here is a little bit of layering, not a lot. And I'm going to show you my cod. This is fresh cod. That's cod here, Atlantic cod here in Newfoundland and Labrador. I got 6 pieces, so that's about 2 cod fillets. I'm going to be putting them on top of the onions like this. So pretty much, if you're going to be using fresh fish, which you should, if you let it thaw if it's frozen, and you got it out at room temperature, put it on some ice because you don't want for it to go bad. Now after you put that in your casserole dish or in a roaster, put another little bit, because you got to equally season your fish and your onions. Everything got to have a little bit of the seasonings, and I'm going to be using a little bit of the onion powder. You don't need to use salt because we're using salt in the sea salt. We got some fresh lemons here and dill, so we're going to layer that now. So what you would need is 1 or 2 lemons. So that depends on how much you want, and make sure that you got the stones or the seeds out of it, and so you're just going to put it directly on top of your cod like this, your cod fillets. And then we're going to put some fresh dill right over the top. You don't need to cut it up or anything. Put it all over there. And then what I'm going to do now is season it again, just a little bit of sea salt and pepper, and then I'm going to put some garlic over the top.
It looks good already.
Oh my gosh, this even smells amazing. So you're just going to take your garlic through the press, or chopped garlic, and put it right over the top. Now that depends on you. If you like garlic, you can put a little bit or you can put a lot. I got about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic here. So that's all you need to do with that. And then what you're going to put in there is about 1 cup of vegetable broth. And this is just to give it that little bit of a steaming. And then we're going to cover it with foil wrap. So I'm just going to reach for my foil wrap. So after you've done that, you got your foil wrap. You're going to put 2 tablespoonfuls of butter and just put right on the top. Then we're going to take our foil wrap and we're going to pinch it down, because I want for all of the steam to lock in. And if you've got a casserole dish with a lid, that's perfect. Just put that on there. We're going to be putting it in a preheated 375 degree oven for about 35 minutes or until fork tender. And you can just open the paper, open the foil, but be careful you don't burn yourself. So I'm just going to put mine right into the oven, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's baked. Welcome back to Bonita's Kitchen, and our codfish is baked, our lemon dill baked cod. I'm going to reach for it now and show you what it looks like. Our house smells amazing. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can see Raymond drooling over there now, but he's got to wait.
Oh, I'll wait.
Okay, I'm going to take off the foil wrap. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's just too good to eat there now. I'm going to plate it to show you it all put together. Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is scoop this up into my plate, but I'm also going to scoop it up with some rice and vegetables that I put there as well. Okay, just look at this fish. Oh my gosh. This cod looks and smells amazing. I'm going to put some fresh dill on there and some juice and onions and some fresh vegetables. Now just look at that. I'll drizzle some of that juice over there. Put some fresh lemons on. Now just look. Now don't you just want to make this for your supper? I can't wait. I'm going to have a little taste. Tell you what it tastes like. Now I know I must have your mouth drooling here now because mine is. And this is a simple meal. This is a delicious fresh meal for this lemon dill baked cod. And it's so flaky. So what I'm going to do now is have a little taste and show you what, and tell you what it tastes like. I was going to show you the flakiness of the cod as well, but right now I'm just anxious to have a taste. The lemon and dill just bursts in your mouth. The juice from this cod that came off over the rice, so delicious. 2 thumbs up by Bonita's Kitchen. I just want to show you how flaky the fish is, or the cod I should say, but you can do this with a white fish as well. It's so flaky, it's just falling apart, just perfect. And this recipe today is my recipe that I put together especially for this episode today, because I just wanted something different to show you how you could use your cod without frying and deep frying. Just a nice fresh taste of dill and lemon. Also, you can serve this fish with your favorite white wine. So today, I hope that you're so excited to make this recipe. And if you are, don't forget, we're going to provide the recipe down under this video. And we also got the subscribe button. So if you haven't subscribed, I hope I've convinced you to do so today. Also, you can visit us on our webpage, www.bonitaskitchen.com, our Facebook page, and here on YouTube. And also, if you are sending us a message, just give me a little time to get to you, because it's got a little busy now answering all of your beautiful questions and, of course, your recipe suggestions. We love them. So thank you once again for joining us here on Bonita's Kitchen for our episode of Lemon Dill Baked Cod, from our kitchen to yours. Thank you for joining us, and you have a wonderful day. If you're visiting our province here in Newfoundland, Labrador, don't forget to check out Salmon Cove Sands, located here in Salmon Cove. And as well, join us again on Bonita's Kitchen.
Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen, it's kitchen to yours.